Hi everyone, we're back and today we're making delicious orange pork sliders with a spicy slaw. Let's start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, thinly slice about half of a cabbage and transfer to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 3 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce to half a cup of mayo and mix well. Combine the mixture with the cabbage. Now add a pinch each of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix, then place in refrigerator until ready to use. In a small dish, combine 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Lightly spray a baking dish. We used a 9x13 because we have a 3.5 pound pork loin. Pat dry, then rub in the seasoning mixture. Make sure to cover the entire roast. Position roast in a baking dish fat side up. Place in oven and bake for about 1 hour and 10 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from oven and allow to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we cut the roast in half, then cut into smaller slices to fit the slider buns. We're only using half of the roast for the sliders and setting the rest aside for another dish. On medium heat, add half a teaspoon of chili flakes to a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of orange zest, 1.5 teaspoons of both minced garlic and minced ginger. We're using garlic and ginger paste here. Mix, then reduce heat to low. To half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and pour into the pan. Mix well. Next, mix in 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of honey. Feel free to adjust the quantities to what is best for you and your family. For the slurry, combine 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir until starch is completely dissolved, then add to the sauce. Mix constantly until thickened, adjusting heat accordingly. Once thickened, remove from heat, add your pork, and mix. It's time to assemble our delicious pork sliders by placing desired amount of meat on the buns. Add a scoop of spicy slaw and additional Sriracha sauce if desired. Top with a pickle and you are ready to enjoy. We hope you loved the video and try this recipe. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy!